Hello my dear traders, welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is going to be hot, so make sure you stay till the end. We see quite a few pairs is dropping, including Euro Dollar. We might find an incredible trading opportunity as we are already running a trade on Euro Dollar, and you might get the advantage from it. So for those who are in the chat section, first of all, let me know who are on the chat so I know that you are here. I can serve you better. If you can't see anything in the live streaming, or if you see any kind of disturbance, let me know in the chat area so that I can fix it immediately, as I am managing the live stream by alone, so it could have some issue. So I see Mixchi on the chat. Hello master, thank you Mixchi. And who else in the chat? Say hello so that I know you are there and I can start the session. And also say yes, hello, good morning wherever you are, so that I know. Now before first of all, I will start with Euro Dollar. There is an incredible trading opportunity going on Euro Dollar. Not only Euro Dollar, I will go one by one all of them. So first I need all of you present so that I can discuss one by one. So quite a few pairs showing trading opportunity because it's the starting of the day. I see Ebola Jelly. Hi, thank you for joining. Pardon me. So and also I see Mixchi. Everyone say hello Mixchi. Thank you for this. The streaming is good. Thank you Mixchi. I see that you mentioned it. Thank you for that. And also let me start with gold and other pairs. Quite a few pairs I can start with, but it will be good idea if it start from you. So Ida Iyad, sorry if I misspell your name. You requested gold. Now before I begin the analysis, the first analysis, do a favor for me, smash the like button. And also if you are new to the channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Smash the subscribe button, this red one. There is a lot to take from this channel. Live streaming with trade signal as well as analysis. It's an educational channel. It's a money making channel. You will not find anywhere like this. I am Forex Wizard, by the way, if you're new to the channel. There is a lot of content in this channel, including strategies, analysis and everything. So first let's start with, also I see Samuel, Euro CHF. Already I analyzed Euro CHF. I will do it again. Mixture NAS 100, please. Everything will be done. So let's start with, first of all, as Euro CHF, all euro currently is in strong bearish. You see this Euro CHF, what happened just a couple of minutes ago. I have posted an analysis. Now this is what I told in the weekly forex forecast in Euro CHF, that it will form an head and shoulder and will drop. Exactly it has done. If you have seen it, smash the like button. If you haven't seen, also smash the like button, because after that you will see what's happening. So with Euro CHF, let me explain what happens so that you can trade it. First of all, let me tell you, with Euro CHF, this is the monthly time frame. Okay, all my analysis strategies is based on higher time frame. That is the right way to trade, and you will not find anywhere in YouTube showing you in that precise way, the exact way, the multi-time frame analysis, so that you know where the market is heading. Euro CHF past month, what you have seen, look at this one here. This is a bearish engulfer. Now there is an important clue you always keep in mind when you see, look at the chart, is the high of the candle. See this bearish engulfer, high of the candle. What is the specialty in this candle? As a trader, this is the most important thing you need to keep in mind. Look at this. I will draw a trend line connecting the previous 2 months high. Okay, let me draw it and then you will understand what I mean by this. See, if I if I draw this trend line connecting this month's high, you see this month's high, then what you see that this the previous months cross all this high and then close back below as a bearish engulfer. So this is a false breakout to the upside. So when you see a candle has created a false breakout to the one side, there is a high probability that it will move with an aggressive way to the other side. That is what's happening. The Euro CHF this month, the price fall down, went up retracement. Now in the next 10 days likely to drop again. So Euro CHF, there is a high impact news release on Euro and CHF both this week, going to be very volatile and dropping now. So weekly time frame also back to back, you see there is a strong green candle. You saw these two candle, pardon me, strong red candle followed by these two candles. They are retracement of this move to the downside, retracement, enough retracement. Now we see currently the price is dropping. So let's go back to daily and 4 hour. Daily we saw a bearish candle, past a perfect bearish candle, followed by another one. Now 4 hour, we see that on the 4 hour there is a consolidation, breakout, created a perfect head and shoulder with a right shoulder lower than the left shoulder. This is what I explained in a complete strategy video about head and shoulder. The link in the description, you can watch that. I have explained everything, how you can recognize a high probability head and shoulder. When you see a head and shoulder like this with a right one smaller, like the lower than the left one, it's a high probability head and shoulder. And that is what's happening after this 4 hour bearish engulfer. The price is dropping. So now the last question may come, where can you sell? Okay, to me, Euro CHF, we need to wait for this 4 hour candle to be closed. So after this candle close, probably along this zone can be sold. Okay, so along this zone the price is likely to come again to test this level. So we say, let's say around 1.0280, something like that. Stop loss should be above all this high, and you know, take profit can be targeted at least to this level, so which could give us at least 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So this is the Euro CHF. Now we will be doing Euro Dollar. Now before a Euro Dollar, smash the like button again. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it. Euro Dollar. Now Euro Dollar, we just have opened a trade and we are in profit currently. The trade was opened here. For those who are in the VIP channel, must have seen the trade. If you haven't taken it yet, no problem, place a pending order, exactly what I have given the entry order. So Euro Dollar, you see now currently, let me tell you, Euro Dollar now breaking to the downside so far. Okay, so far looking like a bearish. Now this is the 4 hour chart. Okay, so what we see so far is still 1 hour 22 minutes to go. It has already formed a bearish engulfer. If it stay there like that, if it doesn't go up, if this candle closes something like this, if this current 4 hour candle closes something like this as a bearish engulfer, high probability that Euro Dollar should drop to this zone to the downside. Now let me do a multi-time frame analysis. Precious, thank you for joining. Hello, thank you for joining this channel. So let's see what we can do on Euro Dollar. So what we are seeing currently, Euro Dollar is creating this bearish engulfer. Now let's see how we can trade this. First of all, let me give you a complete multi-time frame analysis. I saw many of you on the you are watching. Please say hello, or Ravi, thank you for joining, and write down what you want me to cover when I am doing the Euro Dollar. Okay, Euro Dollar, now this is the 4 hour chart. As you see, there is a lot of factors telling that Euro Dollar is likely to drop. This is 4 hour chart. Let me explain one by one. First of all, you see this Euro Dollar, first of all, overextended to the upside, created this false breakout. You see this is the level of the previous high, broke this level to the upside, and then we saw that the price dropped, created a level of false breakout. This is the one thing. Second thing, we see that Euro Dollar, you see after this move to the upside, created now a double top here. With this current 4-hour candle, we see a double top has been formed on euro dollar. Now in this double top, we see currently still not closed. This is looking like a bearish engulfer. If this one closes bearish engulfer, as we are running already a trade which is almost 10 pip profit, and our target is 1 to 3. So let me show you what we are trading, and still this trade is valid. Okay, with our VIP member, we are trading from 1.0442. okay, stop loss is 1.1073, and our target is, just now I have sent a profit target to 1 to 3. okay, so 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, this trade is still valid. So if you haven't the VIP members, if you haven't taken yet, so still you can place the pending order where we have entered. If you are lucky, it could hit the profit entry target level. If I see that this is a bearish engulfer as a closing, then we might add up one more position with the euro dollar. Smash the like button now. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. Every day I do live streaming analysis strategies in this channel that will change your trading system completely. I am Forex Wizard, and this is Forex Wizard Trading Academy. Now let me tell you on the higher time frame what is happening with euro dollar. Hello Boomer, thank you for joining. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now, and also stay with us. There is a lot in this channel to take it from. Now monthly, what we saw that euro dollar, pardon me, this is the weekly chart. We saw that after this doji, the price went up. Now we see a test of this previous support as a resistance. Now this is the weekly level, weekly chart. We saw there is a support here, there is a support here, and there is a support here. Now tested with this weekly candle as a resistance. Now currently we see significant rejection. Now this week we have euro dollar news release, so we might see a bigger move daily. After the previous day, this narrow red candle from this 20 period moving average, as usual we see a drop. So we could expect a bigger drop, at least to this level, which can give us a significant trading opportunity. 4 hour, as I told you, we are waiting for a bearish engulfer forming. We already running a trade with profit. We will add up another one if this 4 hour closes as a bearish engulfer. Smash the like button now. So let's see what other pair. Hello Bhumia, thank you for joining us. Rabi, euro GBP. Okay, so we are running euro dollar. Now let's go to Ravi's request, euro GBP. Let's see how we can find a trading opportunity. Now euro GBP, same as euro dollar. As I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast, the price is doing exactly what it is. Now euro GBP as well looking like bearish. So let's see why we think that euro GBP is bearish. First of all, look at the bigger picture. Always do like that. Always look at the bigger picture. Now euro GBP can give us a very strong trading opportunity to the downside. Why? First of all, this is the monthly chart. Now after looking at all this monthly candle, what comes in your mind? Moses, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining us channel. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. So euro GBP, what we are seeing currently, this is the monthly candle. Now there is a very important clue in this monthly candle and monthly chart. First of all, this is an overall downtrending market, so always selling is good idea in euro GBP. Now let's narrow down to this month's candle. What do you see this current month? See, high of the month couldn't cross the previous high. See, low of the month already crossed the previous low. So downtrend is still valid. So euro GBP is likely to drop. That's what I believe. So at any point I could be wrong. Okay, everyone wrong, could be wrong at any point. It's trading, so don't take a big risk based on what I say. Take my idea, think, analyze, and if you take a trade, manage your risk. Okay, this is called trading. So Euro GBP back to back in this, you see this is a very strong downtrending market. Okay, now we saw back to back 2 weeks uprise. Now this week little bit uprise, now enough significant retracement. Now we can expect Euro GBP to drop. As Euro is dropping, Euro GBP is likely to drop. Daily, last day of trading week we saw expected bearish engulfer, strong red candle. This today we saw a significant retracement. Now we can expect a drop. Let's see on the 4 hour. Now this is the thing, that this, you see this 4 hour candle, the price back to back 4 candles went up, this one also went up. Now we see a drop. So from here, if this one also closes as a bearish engulfer, then we can expect Euro GBP to drop to the downside. Make sure that there is a support here. You see there is a support, has not been broken yet, so at any point it could go up, but for now Euro GBP is bearish. You see after this big move to the downside on the 4 hour, retracement to the upside. Let's measure the retracement as well. To do that, take your Fibonacci, place it at the starting of the move to the end of the move, and we see that, you see Euro GBP just at 38.2 Fibonacci level, and then now rejecting to the downside. So this is a high level of probability that Euro GBP will come down. Smash the like button now, subscribe if you haven't done yet. So who else in the chat, let me know so that I know what to cover. I know who are in the chat, I can serve you better. What else we can cover? Let's see. You see Euro GBP currently dropping, so most all the pairs. Now Eurojpy, same situation. You see Eurojpy is very at the top, and the price is creating a bearish candle. There is a consolidation, so Euro likely to drop against all the major currencies. That is what I strongly believe and should be happening. So let's see what else we can cover. Moses says, my mentor, thank you. More gases to your grease to your elbows. So I think it's not the grease, it's because of the green screen, because I need to do the streaming, so maybe because of the lighting or some issue. But if you completely can't see, then let me know, because I'm streaming at this point, I may not be able to fix it, but at least if you can see it properly, then should be going. AUD, Nelson, thank you for joining. Quite a few requests. Aussie Dollar, AUDJPY. Let's see Aussie Dollar, that's what I was thinking. Let's see Aussie Dollar. Okay, Aussie Dollar is look like bearish, because as you see that Euro Dollar, Aussie Dollar there against dollar, what we first thought that Aussie Dollar could go up. You see there is a weekly time frame. Now currently so far the price action is creating a bearish move, so we might see, you see this is the weekly candle, this is the bullish candle. Now the price may not directly go up from here, never goes like that, so we might see significant retracement. Let's say that Aussie Dollar should go down at least to this level. Okay, so this should be primarily projection to the downside, as this is an uptrending market. We saw that Aussie Dollar daily time frame, this is back to back big move to the upside, and we should see at least a retracement. To measure the retracement, take your Fibonacci, low to the high, and what you saw that. So we can see, let's say even if it is a 38.2 Fibonacci, we should see the price to drop to this level, so which bring us a trading opportunity. Now Aussie Dollar, let's see how it goes, but so far you see back to back 4 hour candle is dropping, so the pattern looks like it might break to the downside, at least to this level or to this level, so which could give us trading opportunity. And then how you can enter a trade, say if it prepare for a big drop, Aussie Dollar, it should create, this pattern should create a head and shoulder. That's what I believe. Okay, this is what looking like that. So that means that after this drop we might see one long candle or one more green candle here. Okay, after even moving here we might see a green candle completing this head and shoulder, and that is what the good way to trade. Again, I am telling, we might, if we see that this level is broken and one green candle here with a lower high and lower low, from there we can trade to the downside Aussie dollar. So this is the situation with the Aussie dollar. So let's see what's the downside number for Aussie dollar. So downside number for Aussie dollar, so who said the Nelson, what's the downside number for Aussie dollar? So downside, we could say that, let me take the Fibonacci again. So if we take the Fibonacci, because there is no level to the downside, could be, let's draw the Fibonacci level. This is the 38.2 Fibonacci, and this could be 0.7326. So almost more than 50 pips should drop if it continues to drop this way. Okay, so Aussie dollar is likely to drop now, because against USD we see that major currencies are dropping. So let's see what else we have in our table for analysis. Euro AUD, you see that all the pairs, this one also expected in, you know, in my yesterday's analysis on Euro AUD. What did I say? The price likely to go up for a retracement, and looks like this is what exactly happening. After 1 hour, if we see this one is closing as a, you know, as a pin bar, so we might see, we should see a bigger move. This is the 4-hour candle, and that could give us a good trading opportunity, or maybe it could go another push to the upside, maybe in this 20 period moving average, and then dropping. So if we trade on, as we are running already a euro dollar trade which is in profit, we might add up on position with another euro, because euro is dropping. Euro CHF, as I told you, it's also dropping, and euro dollar trade is in profit, that you can see in the screen. And also we are running another trade on USD CNHS, also is in profit. So USD CNHS also in profit. We have a big profit target. By the way, if you want to join Forex Wizard Trading Academy, there is a discount going on. You will receive trade signal, you will learn all the strategies in video format, you will earn and also learn at the same time. There is an opportunity, link in the description, you can check it out if you are interested. So let's see now gold, what's happening with the gold. Now gold, to me, this is the 4-hour chart, because I normally, as I mentioned in quite a few of my videos in my website, I first look at 4-hour and then higher time frame. Sometime I day trade if I have enough energy and time. Most of the time I swing trade, and also sometimes day trade. So gold, what is happening with gold? Let's see. Now gold looks like on the 4-hour it is bearish price action so far. At any point we could see that gold is, you know, dropping to the downside. So gold, what is likely to happen is, as you see that, you see how, you might say, then how do I predict that gold on the 4-hour is bearish? Look at this, all this doji, you know, when you see this kind of too many dojis on the way, you know, down, that is normally, you know, bearish price action. And at any point we might see, you know, gold, you know, breaking to the downside. But make sure you don't take my word of mouth and literally, especially the new traders does this, they take a big risk and then, you know, take a big loss. Don't do that. If you trade, manage your risk. Now gold, what happened is overextended to the upside because of the, you know, war crisis. Gold has been bumped up. Now as a result, wherever went up must come down. So now where gold we can trade, where it can reach. Let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Before I begin, again, if you haven't subscribed yet, smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe pressing this red button. Every day I live stream, every day I trade with my VIP members live, and also I trade signal to them as the one we did on euro dollar. So here you see this euro dollar is dropping, should be dropping, and we will be in profit soon. So let's see on the monthly time frame how we can do this multi-time frame analysis on gold. First of all, gold, what you see that this is the resistance that the monthly price went down during this bump up. We saw that gold reached 2068, around more than that, and then the price dropped. Currently this monthly candle is at the bottom, right? So from here we might see further drop. Why? You see this is the monthly trend line. Let me tell you something here. Let's see on the weekly. Now this is the trend line on the weekly that is broken. You see this is the historical trend line. For a very long period of time this trend line was being respected. This is the weekly chart, and when you see this kind of breakout, you can expect the price to come down again, test this as a support, and then should go up if it is a valid breakout. So there is a big imbalance here to fill on gold to come down. Let's see on the daily. Now daily, last day of the trading week, also I mentioned in my forex forecast, weekly forex forecast, we saw that there is a bearish candle. Now with this bearish candle we saw basically a head and shoulder pattern has been formed. There is a head here, there is a shoulder here, there's a shoulder here, and there is a head here. So with all this information combining, we can see that gold could drop. Now we might see one important thing that keep in mind is that this is the daily chart, guys. You see this blue is a 20 period moving average, and high probability that gold will test this 20 period moving average before dropping. So with that being said, we might see little spike. That's why I haven't sent the gold signal yet. I have sent only the euro dollar, because this is the 4-hour chart. And let me draw this daily 20 period moving average. This is the daily 20 period moving. This is the zone where the daily 20 period moving average. Let's see on the 4-hour. You see in this 4-hour time frame, you saw the same zone back to back, 2 dojis here, and there's 1 doji here. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, so we might see one spike to the upside, and also there is a 4-hour 20 period moving average. So this is a very high area of value. So what I am waiting basically on gold is to go up again, you know, this spike, for this spike to the upside, and highly likely that the price will come here, grab liquidity, and then likely to drop or may drop from here even as well. So what is the way to trade? I will be waiting for this 4-hour candle close to see how the price action is forming. If it goes up, test this one and then drop, I will send trade signal, and also I will trade my own account. If it drops from here directly, then I'll see how the price action is forming, and then we will enter a trade in a suitable location. So 4-hour also bearish on gold. Okay, I see Ramesh, you thank you for your appreciation, and also Bumia, please analyze GBP NZD. Of course, Bumia, thank you for joining. And also let's see how GBP Cad also Bumia requested. We'll do all of this. I see that here many of you joined the chat. Kaisar Ali, Nasdaq 100. Yes, of course, I'll do one by one. Hopefully we'll do all of this. So let's see what we can start with. Let's say GBP Cad, GBP NZD, and Nasdaq 100 also will be seeing everything, and also US 30, all of them will be covering hopefully today. So let's see GBP Cad, how we can find GBP Cad. Let me find it. So GBP Cad, GBP looks like is dropping. GBP JPY, what is doing with the GBP Cad? Yeah, I found it. Okay, let's see with GBP Cad. Now GBP Cad monthly, what kind of price action we see? Okay, monthly is highly bearish. Let's see how the price action is forming. So better you see all the GBP pairs behave in the same way. Let's start with GBP USD so that you can know what kind of price action it is forming. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. We'll do GBP USD. You can take GBP USD as a reference, and then we'll see GBP NZD and also other pairs. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell notification so that every day when I live stream, you can join. Probably you can trade with us for free in the channel, or if you want to join the VIP channel, link in the description. It's worth joining. Let's see on the GBP USD currently, as with the euro dollar, we see that bearish price action so far. Okay, we'll have to see this 4-hour candle how it is closing. Now keep in mind that GBP has a news release, euro also has a news release, so they are going to be very, very volatile. Now GBP so far against dollar is bearish. You see smaller candle, right candle is creating. Let's see first of all weekly time frame. Now weekly, I see that GBP is bearish. Why? Let me tell you why. First of all, look at this back-to-back 3 weeks drop followed by this week's retracement to the upside with this green candle. Now how do you predict a market from the candlestick pattern? See, look at the health of the candle. You see this is a strong bearish candle, strong bearish candle, strong bearish candle. Now look at this health of this last week's candle. You see it is still creating lower high and lower low. So that means that GBP USD is bearish. It couldn't break the previous week's high. At the same time, we need to keep in mind that GBP USD, there is a resistance here. You see back-to-back 3-4 weeks candle resistance here. There is a support here. Okay, this support tested as a resistance, and then we see that a drop. So this support tested as a resistance with GBP USD. Now one thing we need to keep in mind on the weekly is that, see, there is a long week. You see there is a long week in this weekly candle. Sometime what we see that the price go up again, test this long week of this weekly candle and then drop. With that being said, we might see another spike to the upside maybe during the news release, but for now it is bearish. So let's see on the daily time frame. Now daily we see that back to back, there is a trend line is being created on the daily time frame. Now we see the price also came to this bottom trend line. Now from here we need to see a breakout to the downside, okay, to trade to the short side. Euro, already we saw that it's after this 4-hour candle we might see it's bearish. But GBP, what we see that we need to see a breakout of this 2 green candle. You see there is a 1 green candle and then retracement, another green candle and then retracement. So you want to see a breakout like that. If British pound managed to break this trend line, so this is the trend line. If this one managed to trend line, then I will consider going short. And keep in mind, always think of, say if you are trading euro dollar, don't trade GBP USD. If you are trading GBP USD, don't trade euro dollar. Management is the key. If you see a trade signal on euro dollar, trade it, and then GBP USD you are trading, and USD you are trading, Aussie dollar you are trading. So what will happen? You will end up doing a lot of trade. It's not a good idea at all. Always keep your trade with minimum, say for example, keep your risk management in control. Let's say you can keep at least 5% of your account money in exposure. In that case you might running Aussie dollar trade or euro dollar trade. Always keep one currency pair in one trade. Do not double up currencies, then your risk will be double. Okay, so this is the situation with British pound US dollar. So let's see what this is the GBP USD. Let's see GBP Cad. Now all GBP pairs will be in the same way. Now GBP Cad is still bearish. Now as I told you, if Gbp USD drops, Gbp Cad also will be dropping. Let's see Gbp Chf. Okay, now Gbp Chf has a good trading opportunity. I sent already a pending order here, but it didn't hit yet. It might hit, but it's not important for us. We see that first of all 4-hour time frame. Let's see what's happening with Gbp Chf. First of all, you see on the Gbp Chf, this is the 4-hour chart. We saw that there is a head and shoulder has been created, first thing. Secondly, Gbp Chf over the long term, it is in a downtrend. It's a downtrend, and the price overly extend to the upside, and then what we saw, a break to the downside. So how can we enter a trade? You see the last 4-hour closing candle in Gbp Chf. This is a nice bearish candle, and this is a good candle for trading. Why? You see the health of the candle. That's what you need to pay attention as a trader, is how the candlestick is being formed, combining with the news release. Now fundamental is all about news release. We don't have the insiders news, so you need to keep in mind that when the news is being released, what pair is news released. If you have a open trade, be cautious about it. That's only the thing that you can keep in fundamental. The rest you can understand from the candlestick pattern. So what did I say? That look at this last 4-hour candle is closed. High of the candle crossed, two back-to-back 2 4-hour candle crossed above in Gbp Chs 4-hour, see the previous one, and then closed well below as a bearish engulfer. Now the next one is going to be closed after 53 minutes. We see a doji. Okay, you see this is a doji. Now if it forms as a doji, or even we see that the buyers couldn't push the price high, so that means that Gbp Chf is slowly likely to drop. That means the CHF is getting stronger and stronger. So Gbp Chf also highly bearish. Now let me know in the chat section, hello, or if you joined new, or what you want me to cover in my analysis. So let's see NAS 100, how the price action is forming. So let's see NAS 100, and then we'll see what else we have. So Nasdaq 100, you see, first of all, let's see the higher time frame, how the price action is forming monthly. Okay, now this indices, almost all the indices behaves in the same way. US 30, NS 100, US 500, almost in a similar way. So currently we see that, first of all, look at this instrument here. This is a very long-term bullish market, right? This is the monthly chart, and we saw the price came well below exactly to this liquidity zone. Why? See, when you see couple of dojis, that is where you will see the price will come and test and will go again. So keep in mind, when you see couple of dojis, that is the zone that the price will come and then will go back again. So we see that this is the thing happens. So monthly we see now currently NS 100 is pushing to the upside. See on the weekly, we saw that previous week a long bullish candle, almost weak at the top. Okay, from here we can expect another push. Maybe we can see drop further, but currently we should see another push, hopefully. Let's see on the daily time frame. Now daily, what we see price action is that this daily has not been crossed yet. Now I'll tell you something. First let me see the 4-hour time frame. Okay, from this daily, let me tell you something. This is an important factor, is that if this daily candle today has not been broken, I'm telling you again, if this daily candle today has not been broken, high probability that tomorrow NS 100 likely to drop. I see that from my experience, but do not take a big risk based on what I say. On the other hand, if it breaks today, okay, then we need to see how the price action is forming, but to me it looks like it will break to the downside. You know, this is not a healthy market. This is not a healthy move to the upside. You see, this is a vertical move, almost no proper retracement. So NAS 100 to me it's bearish. Okay, so we might see even from here we could see a drop down maybe to this level or maybe lower than this. So Nasdaq 100 is bearish. So let's see what else we have to trade. USD Cad also looking like slowly getting bullish because it's on a level of support. This is a very, very important level of support on USD Cad. By the way, guys, write down who is from where so that I have better idea about your area, and also let me know if this timing is okay for you. Are you enjoying this session? Because as a trader, I'm here for you. If I can do something better for you, I feel good, because this is my identity, and you know, I don't want to spend all my time only my trading. I want to trade and I want to help others to trade to make money. This is my passion, making money, and who are with me also, hopefully you are also making money. If you do that, smash the like button, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Nigeria from Nelson, thank you my friend. Who else from where, let me know so that I know better you. Now with that USD Cad on the 4-hour time frame, what we see that let's see how this price action is forming. Thank you Ramesh. This timing of your stream is good. Thank you for your feedback. Bumia, yes, this time is good. Okay, thank you very much. Emma from Canada, thank you for joining us from such a big distance. I see that for people from all around the world. My good name is Nizam, but I'm Forex Wizard. Name doesn't matter. You know my face, and I'm a human. Okay, I never emphasize on name, because we sometimes I don't, because of the trading I don't have much time to share, but as a human I'm a spiritual being, having a human experience. So that's what I believe. I had a strong spiritual experience in 2014, and from that time I have changed completely, and I found my purpose as a trader. I never thought that I'll be trading. I'm a civil engineer. I worked in construction, and it was a stressful job. That job, that profession I took from parents, from family, but I slowly understood that I have to follow my passion, and I had a spiritual awakening, and then I started to follow my purpose. Now I dream, I do what I dream. I do what I love. I help others. I feel peace inside my heart helping others. And stay with the channel. I will give my best to help you. If you need any personal help, also email me, message me, go to my website. There's a lot of link to contact with me. I'll try my best to help you. If you need any scholarship, anything like that, let me know. I'll look at it. Okay, so let's see USD Cad, how the price action is forming. Now USD Cad on the 4-hour time frame, we see that there is a bullish engulfer is look like is forming. As I told you, if euro drop, USD Cad likely to rise, because dollar might be getting stronger. Now USD Cad, you see last 4-hour candle, there is no wick at the bottom. There is one confluence, and also there's quite a few rejection in this zone. You see there is a long wick candle, so that means there has been a buying happen, a lot of buying happen. So USD Cad is thank you Mixty. USD Cad is likely to go up if this one closes as a bullish engulfer, but again I could be wrong, because this is a long-term bearish market. We see there is a long bearish, and if it goes up, we might see a retracement to this level. So this could be 1.2677 likely to go up, And USD Cad, we might, if it closes as a bullish engulfer, we might see, you know, slowly moving to the upside. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's see higher time frame how this is forming. Monthly, we saw, you know, this monthly candle well below, you know, this zone basically is a bullish zone. So what is a zone? I have a completely separated video on how to read price action. The link in the description, free, you can watch them, then you will understand how to read this kind of price action. What you saw, that you see this is a green candle with a long wick. So this zone basically, it's a zone of buyer. Let me draw it. So at any point we might see a strong move to the upside with USD Cad. Let's see weekly. Now weekly, it's a contradictory price action. Weekly is bearish. So what we should see, at least maybe to the upside, is going up. So that's why you need to see always multi-time frame. Monthly bullish showing price action, weekly bearish. Now monthly candle will close after, you know, almost 9-10 days later, right? So we still have something to reconsider in monthly, but weekly candle already closed. Okay, this one. All right, now from here, this is one thing, keep in mind that USD Cad in a very, very important area of value. See, back to back, one weekly candle, you see this is a long wick candle, right? This is a long wick candle. Let me show you. Let me delete all of this. So what you see, this is the weekly candle. This is a long wick. So what does this long wick mean to you? This long wick mean there is a lot of buying happen here. Okay, so this is the territory of the buyer. The next one, see, couldn't cross the previous week's low. Now this one also a bit higher than the previous week. So what all that mean? That all this mean that this level is an area of value, and that is trading. What the traders does, they don't, you know, predict the market with 100% accuracy. What the traders do is, when see this price in area of value, and if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you saw a bullish engulfer, they trade it. They say that, okay, I'll trade it now, keeping my stop loss here. For example, a trader does like this. I'm teaching you. Go long, and they say, okay, if I am right, I'll take my profit here. So how many times let's say a trader risk how much? 29 pip. If the price goes up, he doesn't close, and then he close at say 200 pip profit. Okay, almost more than 10 times profit. That is trading. Now what is the what problem new trader face? I know, because I was also in this situation, and I saw many of my students face the same problem. Is, let's say you took a trade and it goes up here. Okay, you got some profit. Now what happened after that? The price come down again. So that is when people get excited, you know, traders get, you know, say that, oh my god, my profit is eating, I need to do something. Okay, or maybe what happened, you trade it after, you know, going here. That means you took almost say 3 times profit reached, and the price again come down. The price will never go in a straight line. It will come down, maybe almost coming to the entry place. And traders, what they do, they do, oh my god, 3 times profit is now eating, all my money is going, I should close it. And they close it maybe with little profit. Okay, that's not trading. The trading is like this. I entered the place here, I manage my risk to 1% or 2%, I put my profit target here, now I forget. Whatever happened, the market either will give me 10 times profit or take my stop loss. Okay, that is trading. And when you trade this one like this, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 10 trade, let them hit your stop loss of 5 of them, 6 of them, 7 of them. If you trade with, let's say 1 to, you know, 5 risks to reward, say for example, let's say you risk 20 pip, you know, you target 100 pip. Okay, now if you do like this, let's say you took 10 trade. Now if you lost 5 of them, you lose 100 pip. Okay, 5 into 20, you lose 100 pip. Now if you win only 3 trade, then you win one trade, you win 100, the other trade you win 100, the other trade you win 100. Okay, even if you lose 7 trade, if you win 3 trade, you made 300 pip. That is trading, guys. Why is so hard for you? The thing only is hard because we don't understand our emotion. You know, people are not interested about it. You need to understand it. Emotion is the key. There is an unconscious part of our mind plays the game. We sabotage. You know, there is a term called self-sabotage. So you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe that you can make money from the market. No one will tell you this. You know why? Because they want to, I don't want to be negative, but what I'm telling is believe in yourself. Okay, you can do it. You learn from me, do everything, but believe in yourself. You can become a trader. To become a trader, you need to keep faith, risk low, never trade high. Look at the bigger picture. Always, you know, when you hit a stop loss, say that, okay, I hit a stop loss, I manage my risk, 1% gone, doesn't matter, I still have 99% in my account, and take another one. Always keep a big target, small loss. That's it. Buy from an area of value, trade double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, all strategies work. Keep smaller risk, take big profit. That is the secret of trading. Okay, thank you, Moses. We are enjoying. Thank you for your compliment. I really happy to see that. More graces in your eyebrows simply means you more strength. Yes, thank you. I didn't understand it, Moses. Thank you for your compliment. Yes, I am highly energetic. Believe it or not, I work 18 hours. As I told you, you know, I have posted a post couple of days ago in YouTube. In 2014, I had a spiritual awakening, and this awakening was misunderstood as a psychosis. They said that I have psychosis, and I was put in hospital almost 3 months. You know, I was almost dead, and the doctor told me that I have to eat medication, sleep 12 hours. I was fat. The medication made me fat, so fat that I even couldn't walk. In 7 months time, I started meditation first, dropped medication. In 7 months time, I dropped my 30 kilo body weight, and I ran a marathon, you know, in Sydney Running Festival. I changed, and I started to follow my purpose. You know, follow your own heart, follow your purpose. You can do it. Okay, stay with this channel. Thank you, Mixchi. I'm always here to help you at my best. So we already have gone 53 minutes in this session. I sincerely believe that this session is helping you. We see that you see Euro AUD. Let's see what's happened with Euro dollar. Also, Euro AUD is dropping, and hopefully we will find a trade on Euro dollar. Pardon me, we're already running a trade in Euro dollar. You can see on the screen with 3 times profit target. The price is in profit, and I sincerely believe that you enjoyed this session. Before I finish, let me know in the chat section if you have any other request, so that I can serve you better, I can help you better before I wrap up this session. If there is anything that you see, gold is dropping now. It doesn't mean that it will drop right now, but looks like it is, you know, went up and then dropping again. So we might see. Thank you, Bumia. I'm a motivational speaker as well. I had a before, you know, long ago I started a YouTube channel as a motivational speaker, and then I dropped it because I found that what is truly my heart want is trading. I'm a trader. Okay, I'm a money making machine. So that's what is my passion. Thank you for joining. Stay with this channel, smash the like button. You will make money. The only thing is pardon me, the only thing is manage your risk. Never take a big risk based on what I say. Always keep risk low and you will make money. See you soon in the next live streaming, next analysis every day. Also go to the description area to watch all the strategies video that is free to help you in your trading. See you soon. Much love.